The step-by-step method to making $2,000 plus a month online in 2023. Welcome to a game-changing video that could quite literally transform your life. Yes, you heard it right. Not your day, not your week, but your life. Imagine waking up to a monthly online income that exceeds $2,000, and that too without stepping out of your home. We're about to journey through a roadmap, a 10-step strategy that's been crafted carefully to help you unlock this potential. Now, why would you want to stay till the end? Let's just say what we've got in store isn't something you stumble upon every day. It's the perfect blend of insights, techniques, and secrets that could put you on the fast track to financial freedom. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of making money online. Number 1, unleashing the freelance powerhouse. In the world of freelancing, your skill is your currency, and your knowledge is your trade. Whether you're a word wizard penning captivating narratives, a design dynamo creating breathtaking graphics, a coding conjurer developing robust programs, or a digital marketing maven devising innovative strategies, the opportunities are abundant. Let's not forget our consulting champions who navigate businesses through tumultuous seas with strategic advice and guidance. The rise of remote work and the digital gig economy have created a vast interconnected marketplace that transcends geographical boundaries. For the skilled freelancer, this is an open field ripe with opportunities. Each of these skill sets offers a unique flavor in the freelancing world. Writing, for instance, ranges from content creation and technical writing to ghostwriting and copywriting, each with its own demand and pay scale. Similarly, graphic design isn't just about logos and posters, but extends to UI and UX design, digital illustrations, and more. As a freelancer, you can pick a niche that aligns with your expertise and interest, serving clients globally while working from your favorite coffee shop or even the comfort of your home. Number 2, tapping into the creative powerhouses. Venturing beyond the conventional, the digital realm is brimming with opportunities for the creatively inclined. Video editors, game developers, and voice actors have emerged as critical players in the digital landscape. In the era of YouTube and TikTok, quality video editing has become an art and science, transforming raw footage into captivating stories that viewers can't resist. Game development, too, is a booming industry. With an insatiable appetite for new experiences, the gaming community is ever expanding, opening up avenues for game developers to create immersive worlds, compelling narratives, and addictive gameplay mechanics. Similarly, voice acting is no longer confined to radio or television. The rise of podcasts, audiobooks, and voiceover services has amplified the demand for talented voice actors who can breathe life into a script. Each of these professions is not just lucrative, but equally exciting, engaging, and rewarding. Number 3, embracing digital marketplaces. In the digital age, online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Etsy have revolutionized the way we offer our skills, services, or products. For freelancers, these platforms provide a virtual stage to shine, connecting them with potential clients across the globe. Whether it's writing a compelling blog post, designing a brand logo, coding a website, or crafting a unique piece of jewelry, these platforms are bustling bazaars of skills and talents. On Etsy, artisans can open up their own storefronts, showcasing their handmade or vintage products to a worldwide audience. The charm of Etsy lies in its celebration of individuality and creativity. It's a haven for those seeking unique, handcrafted items, making it a lucrative platform for crafters and artists. On the other hand, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as intermediaries between freelancers and clients, offering a secure and streamlined process for service exchange. Number 4, imparting knowledge digitally. With a rapid digitalization of learning, platforms like Coursera and Udemy have emerged as leading online education hubs. They offer an opportunity for experts to share their knowledge and earn money by creating and selling courses. Whether you're an astrophysics expert, a Photoshop genius, a seasoned marketing professional, or a yoga guru, there's an audience eager to learn from your expertise. Creating a course requires meticulous planning and structuring, ensuring the content is engaging, easy to understand, and valuable for the learner. Once the course is live, your job isn't over. You need to engage with your students, answer queries, and update content as necessary. It's a commitment that requires effort, but can yield rewarding results as your course gains traction and positive reviews. Not only are you making money, but you're also sharing knowledge, making learning accessible to people worldwide. Number 5, showcasing talent. A robust portfolio is your visual resume, displaying your skills, creativity, and accomplishments. It tells your story, narrating your professional journey through examples of your work. Whether you're a graphic designer showcasing your best designs, a writer sharing gripping articles, a programmer presenting your innovative projects, or a consultant highlighting successful case studies, a well-curated portfolio is a ticket to attracting potential clients or employers. In the digital age, your portfolio is often the first point of interaction with a potential client. It needs to capture attention, impress, and convince them that you're the best fit for their needs. Regularly updating updating your portfolio ensures it reflects your growth, skill development, and latest achievements. Remember, your portfolio isn't a static entity, it's a dynamic, evolving showcase of your work and talent. Number 6. The art of digital schmoozing. In the online marketplace, relationships are currency. Effective networking not only opens doors to new opportunities, but also helps you establish a reputation and gain trust within your industry. Whether it's joining industry-specific forums, attending virtual networking events, engaging in discussions on LinkedIn, or collaborating on projects, every interaction counts. Building strong relationships isn't about instant gratification. It's a long-term investment. It's about gaining referrals, garnering repeat business, and building a network that endorses and supports you. Genuine interest in others, active listening, and consistent follow-ups are essential components of successful networking. As your network grows, so do your opportunities. Number 7. Quality is king. In the quest for making money online, there's one indisputable rule: quality reigns supreme. It's the driving force behind positive reviews, repeat business, referrals, and a stellar reputation. Whether you're designing a logo, writing a blog post, programming an app, or providing consultation, delivering high-quality work is a non-negotiable element of success. Every task you undertake, every project you deliver, is a testament to your professionalism and commitment to excellence. It's about meeting deadlines, exceeding client expectations, and paying attention to the smallest details. Quality work not only keeps your clients happy, but also bolsters your standings on online platforms, amplifying your visibility and credibility. It's a long-term investment that yields compound returns. Number 8. Shout it from the digital rooftops. Promoting your services is critical to expand your reach and visibility. With platforms like social media, personal websites, or blogs, you can highlight your skills, share your work, and establish your expertise. It's about putting your best foot forward, showing potential clients what you offer and why they should choose you. However, effective promotion isn't about bombarding people with sales pitches. It's about demonstrating your value, sharing helpful content, and building trust. Whether it's posting a behind-the-scenes look at your work process on Instagram, writing a comprehensive blog post, or sharing client testimonials on your website, each promotion strategy should be aimed at attracting, engaging, and converting potential clients. Number 9. Putting your eggs in different baskets. As you gain confidence and experience in the online world, it's wise to consider diversifying your income, offering additional services, creating passive income streams like online courses or ebooks, starting a blog or YouTube channel related to your field are all ways to diversify. This strategy not only adds additional revenue streams, but also safeguards you against the unpredictability of freelancing. For instance, a graphic designer might start a blog offering design tips, a writer might publish an ebook, or a digital marketer might launch a YouTube channel to share marketing hacks. These additional avenues can earn you income while you sleep, complementing your primary freelancing income. Additionally, they help you establish authority in your field, attracting more clients and opportunities. Number 10. Staying ahead of the curve. The digital landscape is dynamic, constantly evolving with new trends, tools, and platforms. To thrive in this ever-changing environment, you need to embrace continuous learning and adaptation. It's about staying updated with the latest industry trends, mastering new tools, learning new skills, and adapting your services to meet market demands. Whether it's enrolling in an online course, attending webinars, reading industry blogs, or participating in forums, every effort you make to learn and grow adds value to your services. It's this commitment to learning that sets successful online entrepreneurs apart. By embracing change and continuously updating your skills, you ensure your services stay relevant, competitive, and in demand, securing your position in the online marketplace. And there you have it, our 10-step guide to making $2,000 or more online every month. Remember, the journey to consistent online income takes time, patience, and persistence. However, by following these steps, you'll put yourself in the best possible position to succeed. Good luck!